Hi there, students. Bumptious. Okay, bumptious is an adjective to describe a person. Bumptiously, the adverb. Bumptiousness, the noun. Okay, if you describe someone as bumptious, they're really pushy. They're really self-assertive. Yeah, they're always pushing you around. They're telling people what to do. To the extreme that they're very pretentious, that they know better than everyone else. If you call somebody bumptious, you are criticizing them. Yeah? Somebody who's loudly assertive and really pushy. Yeah? They're always wanting things, telling people what to do. You do this. Yeah? And it's a bit unpleasant when somebody is bumptious. Yeah, they are unpleasantly confident. They know everything. They know what everybody else should be doing. I think this goes quite well with the word brash as well. Let's see, brash is this idea of pushy or telling people what to do without caring what anyone else thinks. So somebody who's bumptious, noisily self-assertive, yeah? They're presumptuous, telling you what you have to do. It makes them arrogant and imperious as well. Yeah, maybe they have an overweening pride in themselves. Yeah? A bumptious young man whose family were rich, and this gave him the sense that he could tell people about, to boss people about. Yeah? Somebody who's nice and pleasant and asks you to do things is not bumptious. Somebody who's bumptious, they're boisterous and blustering. I think Mr. Trump is pretty bumptious, yeah, telling people what they must and mustn't do. I think Joe Biden's much less bumptious. Okay, so bumptious, pushing people around, pushing them into telling them what they're supposed to be doing. Okay, as I said, this is a good word to use to describe someone. He's a very bumptious individual. What about formality? I give this a 6.5. It sounds quite literary. Use it in something a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. I think bumptious for an informal conversation, maybe, but I don't think it's a very good word for that. And then as to origin, well, it probably comes from the word bump, and then they've just added shus to it. He bumped me, yeah? I bumped into another car, to collide with. I guess if somebody's very bossy, you collide with them. So he was bumptiously ordering everybody around. His bumptiousness offended people. Yeah, he needs to be a little bit more gentle in the way he asks people to do things. Yeah, just stop being so bumptious. Calm down a bit. Okay, so he's a very bumptious individual. I don't really like him very much. He's always pushing people around. He's always bossing them around and telling them what they have to do. Yeah, he's pretentiously bumptious. Yeah, this sounds really quite critical. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bumptious.